Losing weight can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and mindset, it can be achievable. One of the best ways to burn calories and shed pounds is through cardiovascular exercise. Enter the exercise stepper, a versatile and effective piece of equipment that can help you reach your weight loss goals. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using an exercise stepper for weight loss and provide tips for maximizing your workouts. First, let's talk about what an exercise stepper is. Essentially, it's a small, portable machine that mimics the motion of climbing stairs. It typically consists of two pedals that move up and down and may have resistance settings to increase the intensity of your workout. Steppers come in various styles, from basic models that are easy to use at home to more advanced machines found in gyms. So, why is the exercise stepper such a great tool for weight loss? For starters, it's a low-impact form of exercise that's easy on your joints. Unlike running or jumping, there's no pounding or jarring motion involved. This makes it a great option for anyone who may have mobility issues or is recovering from an injury. Another benefit of using a stepper is that it's a great way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Depending on your weight and the intensity of your workout, you can burn anywhere from 150 to 500 calories in just 30 minutes. Plus, since it's a weight-bearing exercise, you'll also be building strength and improving your bone density. Now that you know why the exercise stepper is such an effective tool for weight loss, let's talk about how to use it properly. Here are some tips for maximizing your workouts. 1. Start slow. If you're new to using an exercise stepper, start out with a low resistance setting and work your way up gradually. This will help prevent injury and ensure that you're able to sustain your workout for longer periods of time. 2. Mix it up. Don't just use the stepper for a set amount of time at the same intensity every day. Mix up your workouts by changing the resistance, speed, and duration of your sessions. This will keep your body guessing and prevent boredom. 3. Incorporate other exercises. While the stepper is a great tool on its own, it's even more effective when combined with other exercises. Try alternating stepper sessions with strength training, yoga, or other forms of cardio to keep your body challenged and prevent plateauing. 4. Stay hydrated. As with any form of exercise, it's important to stay hydrated while using the stepper. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. In conclusion, using an exercise stepper is an excellent way to burn calories, improve your cardiovascular health, and reach your weight loss goals. By following the tips outlined in this blog post, you can maximize your workouts and achieve the results you're looking for. So what are you waiting for? Get stepping.